Kenya niugite ikairitanĩria kiri kurungama na nthiguru ya Somalia na kumitethereria gukura. Akiaria kiri mambura ja gukungwira mashujaa nthigurune wa ambassador wa Kenya gwita nthigurune uria wari mubunge wa Igembe Central Kubai Kiringo augite Kenya iri tayari gwita na mbere kurungamana na Somalia nikienda gutigira ni kumbana kiri kugwata inya na kinya gwitongeria yongwa ni untu anyirite Kenya nithirite ikithithia na nyegeta na mbere kuingia.
The role of Kenyan troops in ATMIS exemplifies this spirit of solidarity. Your unwavering dedication to fostering peace, combating extremism, and supporting the people of Somalia demonstrates Kenya's enduring commitment to regional stability and the broader aspirations of African Union. From the struggle for freedom to becoming a cornerstone of peace and stability in our region, Kenya has remained a shining example of leadership and commitment to the ideals of Pan-Africanism.
From hosting Somali refugees contributing to our security and stability, Somalis in Kenya and Kenyans in Somalia has fostered economic growth and cultural exchanges enriching both nations. Together, we have fostered potential to enhance trade and regional collaboration for shared prosperity. Let us continue building a future defined by unity, peace, and progress.
In accordance with our commitment to good neighborliness and peaceful coexistence, we intend to continue supporting our sister state, the Federal Republic of Somalia, to achieve the much needed peace, security, and stability for posterity and the development of this great nation. And additionally, Kenya will continue standing together with Somalia in the fight against terrorism, extremism, and other transboundary criminal activities.